So guys, today we have very special speaker. It's a legendary person in crypto space. I remember his news from 2017 when he sold a house and bought a lot of crypto. Hi Didi, how are you doing?
I am doing amazing, and you're making me blush like a legend in the crypto space. I feel special now.
But you are. Anna, so you had some very interesting questions to Didi. Would you ask him please?
Yeah, so very nice to meet you here at GITEX, Didi. And like your story is really incredible, like to get courage to sell your house and buy Bitcoin. So can you tell us how did you get to know about crypto? Which year was it?
I started in 2013 with mining Bitcoin, and then I had the crash from $12 to $200. Then I started to mine Dogecoin, and then my father got sick, and I couldn't spend time to my business anymore. And then it took till 2016 before people started calling me again. Do you still have your Bitcoin, your Dogecoin? I said, yes, but I'm on the beach in Bali. I don't want to talk about money. And they said, but check them, they are going up. And that was in Bali in January 2017. I said to my wife, Bitcoin is going up. We love the traveling. Let's go home. Sell the house, sell the car, sell the company, sell your 70 pair of shoes, sell the kids' toys, sell the clothes, and go all on Bitcoin. And she was like, yeah, I like the traveling life that we do, so let's do it. So that was 2017, we went fully all into Bitcoin. And since then, still all in. We don't have bank accounts, we still travel a lot.
Oh, that's really cool. And did you buy at that time any altcoins as well?
At that time, I went first all into Bitcoin. I took the Bitcoin bull run, I sold a little bit on top, I took the Ethereum run. And then from that moment, I started to diversify my portfolio a little bit more on my board. Of course, I did some ICOs, I did some John McAfee Monday morning pump coins. I joined a lot of that stuff, but my main investment was all in Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment.
And I wonder, do you still keep Dogecoin from 2016, which you mind?
To be very honest, I sold 2 million Dogecoin this year at a very nice price. We had a good Dogecoin run, almost to the dollar, but I bought back again because I have this, how do you say, a certain relationship with Dogecoin that I just want to own it. I don't know what it is. It's like this crypto history that you just want to be part of, in my opinion.
Did you invest into any other meme coins, like for example Shiba Inu?
Shiba Inu, I just invested $250. I said 30 million Shiba Inu or something. There's now a new really cool meme DeFi coin that is, I think, not a meme coin, but a cool project is called Donkey Finance. With a donkey as a logo, I invested in that one as well. So there's a lot of nice stuff to be playing around, you know? It needs to be, not everything needs to be serious. There need to be some meme coins, some funny stuff as well in the industry.
So what are your current altcoin picks? Which coins do you recommend?
I am still heavily invested in Polkadot. I'm still heavily in Chainlink. I am still heavily invested in paid network. And at the moment, I'm looking at Kai from Cardia Chain because I think they have a solution for the future when it comes to cross-chain technology. So yeah, that was also part of my portfolio.
Do you invest currently into any IDOs, pre-sales?
I do IDOs. I'm also part of an IDO platform, and because of that, I always get these free allocations. But I also invest in some IDOs just to, to support the young new people that start up and they want to decentralize the world. For me, it's a revolution. I want to decentralize the world, take the power back to the people, not only in money, but in everything else as well. So yeah.
I have one really important question. You know, crypto in 2018, crypto was not doing well, and you were responsible for your family when you sold your house and so on. You were fully into crypto. How did you survive in 2018? It was so difficult year for us.
It was a difficult year for me. It was also a difficult year because I didn't sell everything at the top, but we went to very cheap countries. I went spending 2 years in Asia. I lived in Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Cambodia. Life is cheap there. So
yeah.
By going there, I could hodl more bitcoins. At that point, life costed me 1 to 1.5 Bitcoin a month. So every month again, you lose 1.5 Bitcoin just by living life. Now it's like 0.001 Bitcoin.
What do your family think about crypto and Bitcoin? I think they also share your opinion on the future of crypto. They believe in it.
In the beginning, the kids didn't understand it. And my wife did understand it. She was like, okay, I understand what it's doing and I believe you, like just do it. And now, we don't own bank accounts. My children don't have a bank account. We only have Bitcoin wallets.
So all do you have like a Binance card or some other crypto.com? card?
I have it, but my children are not allowed to have it because they are younger than 18. But there's a Spanish project that's called BTC from Bitnova, and they have a young card. So my kids have the Bitnova card, it's from Spain, and that is where they shift their bitcoins from their wallet to the card and spend it for new Nikes or.
So do you spend Bitcoin or stablecoins?
No, they spend. We mostly are now all in Bitcoin again. So when we will be surpassing 90k, I will slowly start to go into stable coins all the way up to 137k, and I will do that as well with the kids' wallet, with the trading part of that, and then we try to buy back the dip if there will be a dip.
So do you mostly hold or you trade as well?
70% I hodl, 30% I trade.
And what's your trading strategies and investment strategies?
Then I'm shelling my own product because I have an indicator. It's called the Didi Bam Bam indicator, and that tells me when to buy and when to sell. So in a 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute, 1-week chart, it just gives you a flag, buy and a flag, sell. I trade that because I'm not the best trader. I need indicators because I don't have the time to analyze the whole charts. So I use indicators. And
So is it like AI indicator?
it is. We developed that one in the UK. It's not AI, but it does very smart technology when it comes to analyzing the whole market and all the RSI and all that stuff. So yeah, it's a really cool one.
And what do you think about NFTs? Did you buy any?
I bought a few NFTs, but I also received a few NFTs as a birthday present and all that stuff. Because last year I was birthday in Mexico, and the people told me, "What can I give you?" I said, "Only NFT." So people gave me NFT for my birthday, and it's really nice. I didn't buy the Board 8 Yacht Club or one of the crypto punks because it's 400k now for a crypto punk, and I think 120k for Board.
Chris and Crypto bought it at this price.
Chris bought one, yeah, and I was talking with him yesterday. I said, what are you doing? Are you buying the top? What do you want to do? And he's like, I just needed to have it. So yeah, Chris, yeah, okay. I'm not going to pay 400k for a JPEG. Not yet.
That's funny.
Well,
Yeah.
maybe it will go millions, so it's just like people in crypto have now so much money, so they just like don't know where to allocate it.
I need to be honest, I think that the crypto punks will be really valuable in the future, but I don't think that all the other projects, there's too many now, too many NFTs popping out, and they can't keep all their value, in my opinion. I think NFTs will be more used by centralized organizations again for passports, for documents, for inventory. So it's not only pictures and paintings, it's going to be way bigger, and then I'm looking at those industries, where is the NFT going to be used for passport control? I can't believe that we will be walking around still with this physical passport like that is going to be replaced by a digital one, and that can be built on the blockchain, and that can be an NFT. And
Yeah,
that's
I agree
then
with
proof
you.
of ownership. And I think that is the world that I want to invest in.
And are you into DeFi? Do you do any staking, yield farming?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm testing all the projects. So I'm testing at the moment Swissborg and Celsius.
But these are centralized actually.
These are very centralized. The problem that I have with them is KYC. So I'm testing them for the technology, very small money. I have huge discussions with them because I tell them this is not decentralized, this is KYC. I don't want to be KYC. But the crypto community has been changing a lot in the last couple of years. So, from the revolutionary people, we changed into accumulating wealth again, and we don't care anymore. All the onboarding platforms use KYC. That is not Satoshi's vision. That is not how somebody without a house can enter into Bitcoin because he needs to do KYC. He's not able to do it. So for me, I will always support the non-KYC projects more than the KYC.
So why don't you use like Aave, Compound?
I'm using a lot of projects, but I have this person now doing that allocation technical stuff for me, so I can do these interviews and all that. We are filming 2 documentaries at the moment. One for a very big streamer, I can't say the name, which will come out next year in March, but it's the biggest streaming platform in the world. It's about our family. So life became busy. Like I always imagined when I go all in, I just go on the beach, fishing every day, and do nothing. And now it became 10 times more busy than I ever was when I was working.
I have same problem.
It's a strange way. Yeah.
Can you tell me your opinion? What is the best place in the world to live for a crypto person? Where is better to live? I know you were connected with Thailand for a long time with this Kopangan.
I love the Kopangan because there was a big crypto community, and they were all converting restaurants into accepting Bitcoin. So I could pay everything with Bitcoin, hotels, restaurants, everything. I must say Portugal is starting to become a little bit Bitcoin minded, but the most easy country for me definitely was Slovenia. Ljubljana.
Yeah, I
you have
actually
Bitcoin.
thought about it, so that it's quite crypto friendly.
Completely. You have a BTC city, it's called. 99% of my needs, 99% of the needs that I need, I pay directly with Bitcoin. Sports club, McDonald's, theater, jewelry, clothes for the kids, makeup, everything direct. So for me, that was the most evolved situation I ever saw in Slovenia and Ljubljana. Yeah.
That's quite interesting. I think Slovenia is quite underestimated. People usually don't talk about it.
It's really strange. I went there. I get goosebumps when I talk about it. It's more than 400 shops accept Bitcoin directly with an app. Like bam. It's like perfect. For me, we stayed there 3 weeks just because I was like, I can really live here. You know, my kids didn't even need the car. They just need the telephone to pay. It was perfect.
And how is Dubai for you? What do you think about crypto adoption here? You can buy real estate here even for crypto.
You can buy real estate, but I don't know. When we were the speakers of the conference, they were all receiving a letter that they could speak on stage, but they could not mention any coins. So I think the law is changing here, and I think that means that you cannot publicly shill Bitcoin or anything. I don't think that is positive for cryptocurrency. So if that is true, what I saw in that, then Dubai should do better. On the other hand, there's a lot of wealth in here. So if they don't want to lose their wealth because of staying into dollars and because of inflation losing all their value, they should be going into gold or Bitcoin. Traditional people will go to gold. The new smart people will go into the digital gold, to the gold in the 21st century, which is on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So I think more of these people will do it. But I don't think they will use KYC. I think they will use OTC dealers.
Yeah, cash deals are so popular here.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
What's your next country?
I am flying the 20th to Amsterdam. I'm in a late night show to promote the documentary that's going live the 21st. Then from there I fly to Faro in Portugal. And then in November we fly to Mexico because there's a huge crypto community and I love to share my profits. So I always combine rich countries where I collect Bitcoins, and then I go to the poor countries, and then I build schools, orphanages. We donate a lot to charity.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you so much for this interview. And next time you do charity donations, share it with us. And next time you go fishing, if you do crypto fishing, just call us. We will join you as well.
Amazing. I will keep you up to date with all the charities. I'm going back to Mexico to build a school again, so it's really cool.
Yeah, and show us your tattoo, please.
The B, you know that the letter B stands for all beautiful things in life. So beautiful, Bitcoin, beaches, big boobs, big bubs, everything. Bacardi Cola, Bentley, it's all with a B.
Very nice.
The only
I never
negative thing
thought
is-
about it.
The only thing is bankrupt, which is not good.
Oh
It's
yeah,
all Bitcoin billionaire or bankrupt if Bitcoin goes to zero.
good to know that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
you.
Thank you.